Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a plan with me. I would describe my planning style as more functional than decorative. I do think a lot of decoration makes me a little anxious, so I do try to keep it simple. Today I'm using my Pigma pen, and it is in the 0.2, and I'm also using Michael stickers that they were on sale, and like I said, I don't really use them too much, but I do at times. And also I am using washi tape. So here we're cutting straight through to what I mostly planned for. I already had put in my work days, and I had also put in all of my to-dos on the left side. On the right side, you can see a line divides the page. I usually do that line myself. I kind of like to have that there. What I also like to do on this layout is at the end of the week, there is several lines at the end, and I like to see what's up for next week. So this will prepare me on what I need to get done for the next week, or what's going to happen, so that I'm ready for it. And I really like that sticker that says I have very important planning to do, which I totally do. So as my week goes by, I usually also track my water, and I just started doing this because I feel like I don't drink enough water. And I am just writing several check boxes with the word water on top, and I will check off at least 4 boxes a day. And also by the end of the week, when all of these things are done, I do cross them out. At the end of the day, I go in and I cross them out. I used to have like check boxes, which I also like to check boxes, but I just cross them out usually when I am through with them or done. And this is my end product. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, like this video if you want more videos like this. I am a functional planner, so I would like to share some of the stuff that I do, and also any kind of DIY videos that you guys are wanting. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.